Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to install Postman. So our agenda today is install Postman. Okay. First of all, we have to go to this website. Okay. As you can see, it's https://www.postman.com. Click on download the app. I've got a Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to choose the 64-bit version. As you can see, it's busy downloading it. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can either click on this open file option, or what I normally do is I just go to my downloads folder. There you can see the setup file. So I'm going to minimize all the other screens, just double click and start installing. The screen should appear over here. Okay, then it wants you to create an account so you can sign up and use this program. So this is the video for it. I hope that you find it useful and helpful. If you need any more support on this, please visit me at my website. Otherwise, if you enjoy these videos, please feel free to donate at this website. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.